So hello guys, I'm gonna tell you how to make a mini Star Wars machine out of only 12 Lego parts. First we take we gotta take 4 dark grey ball joint pieces and light grey ball joint pieces, and then a star with a hole on the top, and a cone piece, a binocular piece, and a normal red star. Then what we gotta do is first take all of these ball joints and just join them like that. And then we take the binocular piece and attach it to the red stud. And just like that, we have completed our main inside body of the Star Wars mini ship. And now for creating the top, we gotta take this cone piece and attach it to the stud, the hole on the top stud. And after that, we gotta just join these ball joints together and make a circle, or you can call that shape anything. And the shape is completed like this. And after that, we gotta take the binocular thing which we made and put it inside this. And after that, you gotta take this cone piece and just attach it like that. There you go. Now it is looking like a ship with a flame coming outside. And the crazy fact about this is you can even spin it. Thank you.